Hello, welcome to this demonstration video for the Deluxe Holiday Sketchbox. Hello, welcome to this demonstration video for the supplies for the 2020 Deluxe Holiday Sketchbox. We have this Pigma Micron Pen. It's waterproof ink. We have a water-soluble watercolor pencil. And we have a water brush. And we have this cool sketchbook. Right? Look at that. So what we're gonna do is, of course, you can just draw on each page and then look at it together. But what we're gonna try to do here is maybe do 3 or 4 pages and see if we can do each page is a good picture, but also, just like I just said, it'll be awesome together. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start with just my pen. And we're gonna see what we can do. And I'm gonna open it up. And what I'm drawing is my Christmas tree and the fireplace mantle. And it's funny, this is our first Christmas in this house, and it's funny how it really, when you come in from the garage, this wall is just a clear shot from the garage coming in. And it's very funny because it looks just like it could be, well, not a very great Christmas card, but a great Christmas card. Now, it's not like a magazine, but it's kind of maybe a cheap magazine. But it's still pretty. And then we have a skinny tree. It's tall, 7.5, 8 feet, I don't know, Christmas tree. Because the first house we rented when we moved to North Carolina, there wasn't a whole lot of space. So we just got a tall, skinny tree. And it's funny, this room in this house is there's a little more room in this one, just the way it's set up. And we took it out of the box. It's an artificial tree. We took it out of the box and set it up. And it's like, well, this is kind of skinny. So it was funny. Not hilarious funny, but we giggled, I guess. And we have all kinds of, this is Disney princess ornaments. And with you drawing your tree, you decide how much detail you want, of course. And I'm also trying to think about how much detail I want to put into this, because I don't want you guys to get too bored. Not too bored, a little bored, yeah, that's fine, but not too bored. And it's fun seeing all the different ornaments. We have a bunch from when I was a kid, and then a bunch from, we get the kids new ones every year. And it's just funny seeing like babies first, and then all the different things that they were into at each time, each year. What else we have? And we do garland. The fuzzy, what is it, silver, I think. I'm going to put that in there. And that would actually show up like that. And it's funny, my youngest, she's 9, she was helping with the garland and she was wrapping around so tight. And we're like, oh, you gotta leave it a little bit loose. So we had to take a little bit out and redo it and show her, but it was fun. She had a great time. All right, now I'm gonna get over here, and I'm not gonna draw everything because I just want to show you basically the start of it, and then maybe I'll do more after, and then post the final picture for you if you want to see it. But I want to the drawing part, but I want to get some drawing done. So then we can get to using the other supplies, so I can show you those. And this is just my stocking, and we have 4 more along there. Okay, and there's some and this is kind of like an urban sketch, if you do those when you go out and draw the cityscapes or whatever, where you don't need to draw every detail. So that pattern is there. It's actually lower and it's smaller, but I don't need to get it exactly right. See, I just need to show that there's that pattern there, and that's it. And then there's some, so you decide how much detail and what you want to do and what you want to include. And I'm trying to show some of the different textures so it's not just empty here, but this is a little bit of the brick fireplace. And there's another detail there. All right. And let's draw some of this over here. Oh, but I got to remember, I have 4 more to do, and one's going to be the middle, so that one's going to be a little close. So I messed up. I didn't draw a nut. But let's draw something up here. And we have the base of a nutcracker here. So we'll draw the legs. And I don't want just the legs, so the legs actually go up probably off the page, but I want to draw, he's riding a horse, so I'm drawing the costume of the horse just to show it. Okay, so now what we're going to do with the pencil, so by this time this pen dries pretty quick, so we're pretty much all set. But this pencil, so what am I going to do? I don't know exactly. Maybe I will do the wall blue, so the tree really stands out. And right now I'm just coloring it in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a lot more detail over here and then less as I go away. So the real focus of the picture is going to be over here. And as you do your own, maybe you want to add some blue in the stocking too, or maybe the ornaments are blue. And now I'm going to go past the crease. Oh, there's more stuff up there, so I'm going to stop there so I don't mess up what I'm going to do next. And now we'll go in, and if you just do the water, you see that. It softens it, it's real nice. Great colors. What are these, Faber-Castell, I think. Yep, or Faber-Castell. This is the Koi water brush. And as you loosen up more of the colored pencil, you're going to get some on the brush, and then you can push that around how you want. So maybe, like right when you started, it might have been loose. But then when you have more ink on there, more paint, colored pencil on there, watercolor on there, once you have more watercolor on there, you can push that around. So that's that for now. I think I'm going to go back in and do some more tree decorations. And this one is my son's, so his is the biggest. He's got a Spider-Man on it. I don't know if he was into Spider-Man or that's just the stocking that we ended up getting. Well, he's into Spider-Man, but I don't think it was a big thing. And my oldest girl has a Tinkerbell stocking. And my youngest, a nice Pooh Bear holding Piglet. And that's what you do. So then I'm going to finish some of these lines. Oh, wrong angle. Okay, and maybe some of these. And I think that's it. Now, I'm not going to put more stuff on top because I don't want to add more stuff up top for a cup. That was a good way of saying the same thing twice. Because I don't want it to, I just want it to be that. But I am going to make this. And one thing I want to try is, so I had blue and now I'm pushing it. This brush is great. If you saw how what I did, I was pushing it hard, pulling it, and the clean water from the brush was blending with the other watercolor and was diluting it. So it was, I like that about that brush. I'm going to take the blue and go back in here where I already was to see if it makes it darker. And then it also can add texture of the color pencil on the paper. And I'm just doing it a little bit here because I don't want it to, I just want it to fade. So there you go. Oh, here you go. So thank you so much for watching. We're gonna have some more demo videos. Well, we have new ones every month, so please come back, take a look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And yeah, we'll get through this, so keep your chin up and keep creating amazing things. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great month, and remember to smile, create, repeat.